Hello, dear friends. In this video, all the differences between the paid and free versions of DaVinci Resolve are explained. The paid version has more tools and features than the free one, and if you are a beginner, the free version has complete features for you. In the free version, you can work with videos in Ultra HD resolution at 60 frames per second and export the video up to same features. But DaVinci Resolve Studio supports up to 120 FPS at 32K resolution. Fortunately, because DaVinci Resolve Project Server is free, collaboration on projects is available in both versions. Of course, in the Studio version, you also have access to more tools such as the chat function, remote rendering, remote grading, markers, and timeline comparison tools. Remote grading lets colorists work interactively with clients across the globe. It allows two matching DaVinci Resolve systems to be synchronized via an internet connection so that changes made on one are immediately visible on the other. In the free version, you can only use one graphic card as GPU accelerator, but in the paid version, the software uses all available graphics cards, and it means faster and smoother editing and rendering. The paid version supports 8-bit and 10-bit formats, H.264 and H.265 hardware decoding and encoding. It also supports advanced AVC HD, AVC Intra, IMF encoding and decoding, advanced HDR delivery in Dolby Vision and HDR10+ formats, digital cinema packages, or DCP, for theatrical distribution. But the free version only supports 8-bit and H.264. In paid version, there is a feature to full screen playback on a second monitor. Both versions offer extensive and complete access to color adjustments and grading. However, in the free version, you have access to a limited number of HDR settings. In the paid version, you have access to professional HDR scopes and tools. The HDR scopes in DaVinci Resolve Studio are capable of measuring and providing detailed information about ST2084 and HLG images. DaVinci has a powerful artificial intelligence called DaVinci Neural Engine. Most of the tools that use this AI are only available in the paid version. Some of these features in the paid version are facial recognition for automatically organizing media into bins based on the people in a shot, advanced noise reduction to clean up and remove unwanted noise, lens distortion to analyze a clip and correct for spherical lens distortion or other aberrations. For example, it can also fix fisheye lens distortion. Superscale to create 4K and 8K images from HD sources. Speed warp retiming for clear and smooth speed changes. Smart reframe that allows you to reframe standard 16:9 videos into 9:16 vertical videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. By using this feature, the object in the video will be automatically followed. Scene cut detection. This feature analyzes video clips and identify where cuts occur, then automatically split the clips into individual segments. Magic mask to select and track an object or person in the video. Object removal tool to remove an object or person from a video and fill in the blank space. Deflicker to remove the light flicker caused by the 50 or 60 Hz artificial lighting of the environment. Here you can see a list of other effects and tools that are only available in the paid version. With stereoscopic 3D, you can edit and grade stereoscopic 3D projects. DaVinci Resolve Studio features support for both Python and Lua scripting. DaVinci Color Transform language that, unlike LUTs, which rely on simple lookup tables, are GPU-accelerated bits of code that makes them extremely fast. Text-based editing is a new way to work with audio. Instead of just using waveforms, you can edit sound like edit text. This means cutting, copying, and pasting audio as easily as words in a document. Both versions have complete audio editing tools, although the Studio version has a few extra features over the free version. Here is the list of Fairlight tools that can be found only in the DaVinci Resolve Studio. DaVinci Resolve Studio supports high-resolution 3D audio for working with spatial formats up to 22.2 and features import and export of the latest IAB and ADM files. You get native Dolby Atmos and MPEG-H import and rendering plus fifth-order ambisonic support. There is B-chain audio monitoring, a 3D panner, and 3D space view scope to visualize each sound object's location in space. Unlike other video editing software, DaVinci Resolve allows you to buy the lifetime license of the studio version for $295. It also includes free upgrades to future studio versions. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.